Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to back up a project or all settings here in Jira. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Jira, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Backing up a project or all settings here in Jira is a straightforward process, but is an important step to ensure that you have a secure copy of your data in case of accidental deletions, migrations, or unexpected issues. The approach to backup can vary slightly depending on whether you are using Jira Cloud or Jira Server Data Center. All right, so in my case, I am using the Jira Cloud. And if you have the same dashboard or interface just like mine, all you're going to do is go to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon or the cog icon settings. Click that, and I need you to click on the systems. Okay, make sure you are logged in with administrative privileges, and I need you to navigate to the backup manager. It's on the left side panel of your dashboard under import and export. Okay, click the backup manager, and from here you should see an option that says create backup for cloud. I want you to click on it, this one, including attachments, avatars, and logos in the backup. Now be mindful that as of the moment, the backup for server is being discontinued starting November 30th of this year, 2024. So you might want to check that out. Of course, instead you can use the CSV file import wizard to move your data from cloud to data center. This option supports data as issue data, users, and project types. Of course, I want you to read and understand all the information here. Okay, but for now, we're going to click this option for creating backup for cloud. Now it'll take some time, because once the backup is complete, it will be available for download in the backup manager. And this file will contain all your Jira data, including issues, project settings, and configurations. And I need you to download the file to a secure location. Because while Jira Cloud automatically performs daily backups, it's a good practice to do manual backups before major changes at regular intervals. You can also use third-party backup solutions in the Atlassian Marketplace for more frequent or automated backups. We're going to see that later. Now, just wait for it. Now, I find this very useful in terms of the system glitches, software bugs, or unexpected crashes that leads to data corruptions. So a backup is really handy because it will allow you to revert to a stable state before the corruption occurred. Okay, or if you are upgrading Jira versions or migrating to a new environment, for example, Jira Server to Jira Cloud or vice versa, obviously having a backup ensures that all data can be restored if something goes wrong during the transitions. Now, most of the time, servers hosting Jira may fail due to hardware issues, leading to potential data loss, and backup ensures that data can be restored from a recent point, minimizing downtime. Now, I always use the backup just to have security, because you never know if you're working with multiple freelancers, an employee within an organization, or even a client that may use the internal database to delete or alter any data. Of course, the backup can help mitigate the damage caused by such actions. It's very important because most of the industry right now required by law to maintain regular backups of their data. So in that sense, helping maintain records of project settings, configurations, and data is crucial during audits or investigations. This is taking too much time. Now it's finally done. All you're gonna do is click this option that says download cloud backup. Okay. Now once you have downloaded the cloud backup, just locate the file directory. And the second method that you can use for backing up for a cloud here in Jira is go to your apps. Okay. Click the more products option here. And there should be an option down below where it says Explore Apps. We're going to look for the backup. Now, as you can see, you have all these options for you. You have the backup configuration, quickly backup your Jira configuration excluding any issues, or rewind backups, automated backups, and flexible data recovery for Bitbucket Cloud. All right, so there's also the backup allows you to run an on-demand data backup for your Jira services. I'm going to use the rewind backups for Bitbucket because it's basically an automated service. You can click on the try it free option here. Just click that button. It would be forwarded here. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Now here, all you have to do once you have successfully created an account on Rewind, click the Get Started option for Jira. Just wait for it. Now it's been added, all right? So try it for free and then go back to once you were at. Now, once the Rewind automated backup for Jira has been installed, all you're gonna do is select the region and add new integration. Now here, the queue is being already here. Okay, so all the information has being backed up. Now, I find it very useful using the automated backup because it allows you to transfer the data and settings very quickly without doing the manual configurations. It's very stable, and even if you don't have any technical expertise or coding or programming backgrounds, it will allow you to revert to any previous state from having this backup. Okay, so the good thing with Rewind, because I've used this in the past, it ensures that all settings, custom fields, and workflows are consistently applied across projects and environments for the integrity of the data. For example, when you need to clone or replicate a project for a new team or purpose, having this backup from Rewind makes it easier to set up to the new environment. And of course, you can create this to test environments that mirror the production setup, enabling testing of new features or changes without affecting the live data. All right. And again, I believe that's it for today's video. I'm going to wait for this to back up. As you can see, it's a long process, but it's still the same method. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.